Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today I'm making a twist on my classic skillet cookie recipe to make more one for Valentine's Day or for one for like a gift. So this is everything you're going to need here. Starting off with the wet, I'm taking some coconut oil, which is a great staple I have in my kitchen, some maple syrup for sweetness, but you can also use honey, a touch of vanilla, and then some almond butter. You can definitely use any kind of nut or seed butter, like a sunflower seed, whatever you have. And then you're going to need 1 egg, and you're going to mix together all of the dry ingredients. So my skillet cookie recipe is definitely something I've made so many times for so many people, and it's such a favorite with everyone I know. I'm adding in some baking soda, some Himalayan salt, and then almond flour, which is the big base of this recipe. And I'm going to stir that all together. So what I like about this is that not only can you make a big one and you can kind of have it for a Valentine's Day, but you can also decorate it to kind of be like a gift. So I'm adding in some dairy-free chocolate chips and then some strawberries because that's more festive, and I'm folding that together. And this totally reminds me of those giant cookies you see at the mall with like the frosting, and you could buy them for people's birthdays or special occasions. This is perfect for that. And I'm putting it in a cast iron skillet, but if you don't have a skillet pan, all you need is a round baking dish and to spread it out. You definitely want to make sure you grease it though, because you don't want it to stick. So just press that down until you get a nice even layer, and mine is 9 inches wide for reference. I'm putting a couple more strawberries on top just to make the top layer look pretty, and we're gonna bake it. While that's baking, this part is optional, but I'm making a little bit of frosting to kind of make it a decoration. I'm also taking some leftover caramel I have from the video I did where I made the no bake treats, and I made caramel cups, which if you haven't seen it before, we make homemade caramel and then we put them into little cups. So it's kind of like almost a caramel bar, but in like a cup form. I'll leave that video below so you can see it. And I'm putting that on top, and then I'm taking the coconut cream that we whipped and kind of making little designs on the side. You could write something if you want to. You could write Happy Valentine's or I love you or something like that. But it's so delicious. It serves a lot of people and it tastes yummy too. And it's free of all that refined sugar. It's paleo and super delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.